In this video, I'll show you live examples of how to scalp using momentum and support and resistance levels. Let's dive right in. Okay, so let's go through some trades right here. So Ethereum, nothing big happening there. Let's go to Tron. Tron, let's try to leverage the momentum up. Okay, so nothing too big there, but it's okay. Let's go to Ripple. So nothing too big there. Let's go there. Litecoin potentially. Litecoin has a lot of oscillation. It's tough to see what will happen. What I think will happen is it'll go down to this support level right here. It'll bounce back up. Yeah, honestly, I would probably sell once it goes back up. So right now, it's tough to say, but if it goes back up, then I'll sell. Timing is key when it comes to trading. If it goes down below here, I might just buy. Okay. Okay, perfect. So I might go down a little bit more to meet this support level right here. And then buying would be the perfect opportunity. Okay, there we go. Nothing too big, but it's okay. Some trades are not optimal, but trading is just like that. You don't let emotions affect your trades. And go here is a little bit iffy. Some candles here, so it's not certain. So I wouldn't bet on this. Tron, potentially, a lot of oscillation happening here as well. We can see what's happening, what kind of movements are happening. I think it'll go down to roughly this support level right here. So we can take advantage and do a sell. There, didn't profit, but that's okay. Let's go to Bitcoin right here. We could potentially take advantage of this because it has been going up quite a bit. So let's see here. Think potentially could be meeting a resistance level right here, so we can see. So or support level rather. But so I think potentially buying here. It's a good move. Let's see if it's true, and it is true. Okay, perfect. There we go. Avalanche. Okay, let's see here. It's all-time high, I believe. So it's a little bit risky. Can't really see any support resistance levels to leverage momentum. Let's go to Solana. Solana, let's see here what's happening. So it'll likely go down to around this level right here. So for this reason, I'm going to be selling. Okay, so nothing too big right here. Didn't profit too much. Let's go back to actually Polkadot. You could leverage this right here, but as I said, it's a little bit risky. Despite might go up a little bit. I'm actually going to take advantage of this up momentum. Okay, there we go, profited. And for Ethereum, you see that going back and forth, not too much happening here. Might have a buy potential right here. Let's see here. It did cross this level right here. It did go below. Yeah, I don't see why it's not a buy, so I'm just going to buy. Okay. There we go. Another profit. And let's try to do a few more trades. Hopefully you can profit some good money today. And Toncoin. Toncoin, let's see right here. Potentially some buying opportunities. Right here. It's meaning this level. I'm gonna say this. It's definitely buy potential right here. Let's wait for it to go down like this. Okay, so as usual, bad trade. It happens. Let's go to the next one. Or potentially we could stick here for a little bit longer and see what kind of momentum has happened here. Or we could potentially change our time frame to maybe 10 seconds or 15 seconds. And maybe we can see if that plays out a little bit better. So I'm going to wait for this to go down a little bit before I buy. As we see, it's going down. Let's buy. So a longer time frame, which can be a little bit safer in some cases. In some cases, it's not that good. Here, might not be the best situation, but we'll see. Here, it didn't profit. That's okay. Let's go to Litecoin. Litecoin, okay. Here we go. Potentially some big movements happening here. I'm guessing it's going to buyer momentum. So let's try to leverage that a little bit. Okay. Go. And down a little bit, going up. Okay. Perfect, perfect. Let's see if we can profit on this one. And there we go. Another good profit. There'll be wins, there'll be losses. This one was a win, which is really good to see. And Dogecoin movements aren't super sturdy, so I wouldn't bet on this yet. Like Solana. Okay, so there might be a resistance level right here, around here, which means I likely sell. Okay, let's see how this pans out. Okay, there we go. Okay, profited. Litecoin. You can see not any big price movements. Potentially we can check out Ethereum. On Ethereum, we have nothing big either, I would say. Going down quite a bit. We try to leverage this indicator right here to check. According to this indicator, it should be a buy. That's hard to say. So it'll probably go down from here. It's hard to tell if it's a buy or sell. So I'm going to go to a different one. Go to Chainlink. So take your time when choosing the right opportunity. Timing is very key to any trade. Okay, there we go. Big profit. Go to Bitcoin again. Okay, here we go. It did drop quite a bit. See where it is at. So I'm going to put some buy action here. Fairly confident it'll go through. And there we go. It went through. Wraps up our trading session for today. We profited some pretty decent money, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and follow for more information like this.